The All India Trinamool Congress AITC today released its election manifesto and 10 pledges for Meghalaya. National General Secretary of the party Abhishek Banerjee released, both in the presence of senior party leaders including MP and AITC Parliamentary Party in the Rajya Sabha Derek O'Brien, TMC State in Charge Manas Bhunia, TMC Legislature Party Leader Mukul Sangma, among others. The 10th pledge, Honour to Traditional Institutions and Sacred Lands, states the need to revoke the border deal, introduce a holistic village administration bill, implementation of Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act 2016 to have a comprehensive registry of all legal tenants. A private member's bill will be tabled in Parliament for recognition of Khasi and Garo languages. Other 9 pledges include focus on music, sports, culture and tourism, robust civic amenities for residents, quality education for children, holistic health care for all, better produce, happy farmers, social security for all, empowered women, prosperous Meghalaya, guarantee of a brighter future, abundant opportunities for a thriving economy.
Thank you. Our mission in Meghalaya, as I've always said, is to turn this state, beautiful state, into a model state across all sectors. The healthcare and education system will be revamped. The economy will be boosted for growth. The civic infrastructure will be made available for all. Indigenous rights will be protected at all costs. And no decisions will be anti-people or taken without their consent.